First we gotta go shut the gate and close it, make sure nobody's here. Looks good. Also looks good. Air compressor is filling up. I'm going to take the other Honda Recon for a quick ride because it's been like months since I've started it up. Not months, but probably 8 months. One of the things I cannot stand about this compressor is just how stinking noisy it is. Also, that none of the joints are very well sealed up. Sometime I might get around to taking all the parts and pieces off and Teflon taping and pipe doping everything so it actually stays sealed. But for now, just going to deal with filling it up every time I need to air up a tire. What we're actually in here to do this evening is put this guy together. Just for fun, something to do. And because I bought it, so I might as well get it put together. That's it. There's literally no set screws to put together or nothing. It's all just friction. I think it's gonna work. Well, it seems to be okay. Everything seems pretty decent. The wheels seem fine. Tray seems fine. The chair is reasonably comfortable. Seems like it's well worth the like 20 bucks or whatever I paid for it. And I think it'll do just fine. I think it'll hold my fat butt up while I'm working. So. Well, like I said, nothing too exciting going on tonight. Just figured I would post what I was kind of getting done tonight. Nothing like major or big, just a few random things. Need to go put the four-wheelers away now. Park them for the night. I'll start driving the other one to work just to kind of get it running and run the gas through it and burn that gas out. But yeah, got the chair put together, not that you can see it, and filled the tire. I don't know, nothing special, but for all 12 of my subscribers, I decided I want to be consistent about putting videos out, so decided I'd put this one up tonight. Thanks for watching, and if you're not a subscriber and you happen to run across this video, please subscribe.